Good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Sokol. On behalf of my principal, Dave O'Connor, we want to welcome you back to Hampton Academy for school year 15-16. Our tradition I want to welcome parents, staff, friends of Hampton Academy to our bell ringing ceremony. But before we ring the bell, we always start the day with a Pledge of Allegiance. Would you kindly face the flag, take off your hat, and recite the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. When we are finished, 8th graders, go down to the dining hall, enter through the dining hall. 7th graders, main entrance. 6th graders, 6th grade wing entrance. The ringing of the bell is a tradition that we want to uphold. We do it at the beginning of every year, signifying a new beginning, new friendships, new challenges, and a new school year. I want to call up the two youngest students in the school, Connor Wind and Allie Brindamore. We got one, we got two. All right, come on up.
Hey, Allie.
All right, are you guys ready?
Guys, really ring it.
Ring it, we're gonna grab
Jump
one.
right on
Grab
there.
one, two, pull back here.
Yeah.
Really good.
10 rings. 10
Ready?
rings.
On your
Up
mark.
here, down the beach.
Get set, go!
Go ahead, pull. Keep
Have a great